Good morning to one and all once again. And today's topic is about time. So already I have finished this time yesterday, but now once again I'm revising this topic. You first just listen. I'll share you the PPT and I'll explain you. Then afterwards you can write if anything is there. Time lesson. The keywords are east, west, morning, evening, afternoon, sunrise, night. So these are the keywords I gave. One second. Yeah, topic is time and keywords are time, east, west, morning, afternoon, evening, night, and sunrise. So these are the keywords. Now let us see one by one. The sun rises in the east. So morning, when we wake up in the morning, we can see the sun very brightly. Okay, the sun rises in the east. Rises means come up. The sun rises in the east. As the sun rises, a new day begins. Okay, a new day begins. Again, we are ready to do our all the activities in the daytime. Again, we are very fresh in the morning. We'll take, yes, we brush our teeth, we take a bath, we take our breakfast and everything, we will get ready. So a new day begins as the sunrise. Then the sun sets in the west. In the west, sun sets means the sun goes down slowly. The sun sets in the west. When the sun rises, it is called morning. Okay, children. When the sun rises, it is called morning. Morning time. So morning time, very, very busy. We will be very busy with our morning activities. Wake up, take your brush, take your bath, get ready, have your breakfast, and you have to sit for the online classes. If school is there, then you have to get ready, put your school dress, bag, everything, packing lunch. Then you will rush to the school in the morning time. Then when the sun is high in the sky, it is called noon or midday. It is high in the sky. If you go and stand outside for some time, you can see the sun exactly on top of your head. So this is called noon time or midday. In the afternoon, the sun moves towards the west. Means slowly, slowly, the sun moves towards the west. And when it is moving towards the west, what happens? It the sun sets and it becomes evening. When the sun sets in the west, it is evening. So evening is the time again. Okay, again you will fresh up yourself, have your snacks or milk. Then you do your homeworks and you will be playing for some time also. So this is the time you do all these activities in the evening. Next, when it becomes dark, it is the night time. When it becomes dark, when it becomes dark, it is the night time. Night is the time to take rest and sleep. So night time we do our dinner. Yes, we eat little, we do our dinner and we take rest and we sleep. And it is very good to sleep early and wake up early. You are very small children, grade 1. You should not wait till 11 or 12 o'clock in the night. You have to sleep very early. By 9 o'clock, you should sleep. And by 6 o'clock, you have to wake up. 9 hours sleep is more than enough for you. So you have to make a habit of sleeping early. Next, some birds tell us when the day begins. For example, cocks and crows, they caw, means they sing and they wake up. Okay, some birds also tell that when it is sunrise. So these are the different uh, times when the sun. So morning time, afternoon time, evening time, and the night time. This is about the sun. Okay, children. And I want to show you something.
Wake up, wake up, it's morning time. The sun is up and has started to climb. I brush my teeth and make my bed, and off to the kitchen, breakfast to be fed. It's afternoon and the sun is high. I'm in my school, my oh my. The lunch bell rings, ding ding ding. The fish sticks and salad and yummy pudding. It's evening time and I'm back from play. Finish your homework is what mommy will say. The sun goes down slow, slow and steady. Let's go and eat, dinner is ready. The moon is up and the owl begins to call. I brush my teeth and on the bed I fall. My pajamas are on and the stars shine bright. The day is over. Sweet dreams. Good night.
Yes, you enjoyed that song? Yes, children?